In this lesson, you'll practice listening and speaking. Hello everyone. Welcome to Naz English Pods. I'm your host, Naz. Today, we'll go through a simple daily routine, from morning to night. You'll listen to short and easy English sentences used in everyday life. We'll practice morning habits, daily work, meals, and evening time. You can listen while relaxing at home, traveling, or doing light exercise. Just listen carefully, repeat after me, and speak along with the audio. Are you ready? Let's begin. The air is cool and quiet. Sunlight touches my pillow. I open my eyes slowly. My blanket feels warm. My phone alarm beeps. The sound is gentle but clear. I press the stop button. I stay in bed for a moment. I rub my face. I sit up and stretch. I take a slow breath. I hear a dog barking far away. It's time to start the day. I push back the curtains. A breeze flows into the room. It wakes me up more. I smell fresh grass outside. The trees look green and happy. Across the street, a woman jogs. She wears blue sneakers. Her ponytail swings side to side. She waves at a passing car. A boy rides his bicycle. His backpack bounces as he pedals. He shouts, "Hello," to the jogger. She smiles and waves again. The neighborhood is waking up. A mailman walks down the sidewalk. He carries a heavy bag. He puts letters into mailboxes. A girl waits for the school bus. She holds a lunchbox tightly. Her friend runs to join her. They talk excitedly. A man walks his small dog. The dog sniffs every bush. The man checks his watch. He pulls the dog gently. I walk to the kitchen. The floor is smooth under my feet. I pour cereal into a bowl. The cereal cracks softly. I add cold milk. My brother walks in yawning. He grabs an apple from the fridge. He bites into it loudly. Mom fries eggs at the stove. The pan sizzles. Dad butters toast at the table. He spreads it carefully. We all sit together. The table is crowded but happy. My sister spills her orange juice. It spreads across the table. Dad grabs a cloth quickly. We all help clean it up. Nobody gets angry. We just laugh and keep eating. The eggs taste delicious. The toast is warm and crunchy. I drink my tea slowly. It warms my hands. After breakfast, I wash my dish. The soap bubbles smell like lemons. I dry my hands on a towel. I tie my hair into a ponytail. I grab my wallet and keys. Mom reminds me, take an umbrella. I nod and pack it in my bag. Outside, the sidewalk is damp. Rain must have fallen overnight. The air smells clean and fresh. I walk toward the train station. A bus stops near the corner. The doors open with a squeak. People step out quickly. A woman drops her scarf. I pick it up and hand it to her. She says, "Thank you, dear." I smile and keep walking. The traffic light turns red. Cars stop in a straight line. A cyclist balances on his bike. He checks his phone while waiting. The light changes to green. Everyone starts moving again. I pass a coffee shop. The smell of roasted beans fills the air. A barista wipes the counter. She hums a song quietly. Customers sit by the window. One reads a newspaper. Another types on a laptop. A couple shares a muffin. They laugh at something secret. Great job for practicing today. I hope this lesson helped you feel more confident while listening and speaking English. Remember, daily practice makes your English stronger and more natural. You can replay this lesson anytime and practice again. Thank you for learning with Naz English Pods. Keep listening, keep speaking, and I'll see you in the next lesson.